Cooking with witch. Cooking
Looks
with
good.
witch. Cooking with witch.
Nice.
So, we're making a famous food. So here you see these are special ingredients. This is blood to make sure things don't explode. Alright, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So first here's the meatballs. They're the
Spicy meatballs.
Then we have some other ingredients. Hot dogs, sticky hot dogs.
Why the hot dogs sticky? And why are they blue?
Don't ask.
Okay.
Okay, now the noodles. You will see what they look like.
Ooh. This like a secret
So
ingredient?
yummy.
It
So yummy.
Oh no, I definitely.
Oh, noodles. Noodles. Oh, noodles.
Can't wait, bro.
It's very good.
So who's
Does it
taste
look
testing
good?
it?
Maggie.
I think
it looks so
yellow is. No, purple.
Are you gonna try it with the spoon?
Me. Yeah, it looks so good. I want to try it.